Yo, what's up guys? Today I am going to be showing you my money machine. So you can drop the coins here or here. This is our coin. I got the baby shark coin. You can drop it either here or here. I'm just gonna drop it here. And you see there, it's stuck, right? The coin is stuck there. Once you pull this down like that, you look inside, it's right there. And it's a bit stuck, so I'm just gonna shake it out like that. And that's how my machine works. And also, let me show you the back. This is the back of the machine. It's a really simple design. All you have to do is pull it down, and there, it's right here. Okay, anyways guys, thank you for watching the video, and bye. Bye. 3, 2, 1.